Does the Fire Stick have a secret menu? This guide describes the hidden Fire Stick settings and how you can change them to enhance your streaming experience. These hidden settings can also be customized on any Fire Stick or Fire TV model. If you own a Fire Stick, Fire TV, you may not be aware of the full performance and capabilities of these devices. If you do not adjust any of these hidden settings, Amazon will collect your data secretly and your Fire Stick, Fire TV will lose performance over time. Adjusting these settings below will help Fire Stick buffer protect your privacy, block ads, and improve overall device performance. 1. Disable applications from unknown sources. Those who have been using Fire Stick, Fire TV for some time have probably been thinking about the possibilities of sideloading the device. This is often called jailbreaking. Because Fire Stick, Fire TV uses the Android operating system, you can download apps outside the Amazon App Store by downloading apps from unknown sources. Hidden settings. Fire Stick installs applications from an unknown source. Installing streamed APK files is one of the most popular tools of those with Fire Sticks, Fire TV. The most popular applications downloaded from the web include Kodi, MX Player, Streamio, FileLinked, Aptoide, Cinema HD and more. 2. Adjust privacy settings. Changing privacy settings in your device preferences is one of the hidden Fire Stick settings that you need to adjust immediately. You can disable interest-based ads, device usage data, data tracking, video autoplay, and more in your privacy settings. Privacy and Fire Stick settings. See the step-by-step guide below to customize your privacy and ad blocking settings on your Fire Stick, Fire TV. 3. Close the background buttons within a few seconds. Few Fire Stick users know that you can turn off unwanted backgrounds using a tool called Task Killer. Task Killer closes all unwanted applications running in the background in seconds to clean the hole and improve performance. Hidden setting. Fire Stick Fast Killer tasks. 4. Change the custom launcher user interface. As a result of these recent interface updates, custom launchers have become even more popular with Fire Stick, Fire TV users who want to change the user interface. Anyone who has used their own launchers in the past can remember the ATV launcher designed for Android TV boxes. However, there are already some custom starters that work well with Fire Stick, Fire TV that can be installed. 5. Change VPN protocols and increase speed. Most Fire Stick VPN users may not know the various protocols that you can modify in the IP vanish settings. In fact, changing VPN protocols is one of the best solutions to increase the speed of your device. IP vanish protocols available on Fire Stick, Fire TV include OpenVPN, UDP, OpenVPN, TCP, and Decave2. 6. Screen mirroring. Screen mirroring is one of the most popular hidden Fire Stick settings on this list. One of the most well-known features of the Fire Stick is its ability to enable the mirroring of a standalone device. It allows you to send everything on your mobile phone screen directly to the TV in seconds. Fire Stick Mirror Settings Screen. To do this, you must install a standalone application that is available for free in the Amazon App Store. After installation, you can upload and more directly from your phone or tablet.